I've had a couple of people ask me how to do the ends of the necklaces that I make. And so I thought I'd show you how to do that. And I've experimented with different kinds. This is red leather. And I'm not too sure what this black one is called. It comes in a roll like this. And I bought this red one. I think I got this at Michael's. But I have two different kind of clasps here. There's a crimp style, which I think, they're so tiny you can't even see them. But I think this is the crimp style. And then, or maybe these are crimping tubes. And then these are the crimp style clasps. And you'll need two, one for each end. And on the leather ones, I use these little ones because it fits right on the end of there. And then these are called crimp pliers, I think is the proper name. And you just put it on like that, and you just squish it. I mean, you can't get much easier than that. And then you do the other side. And you squish it. Alright, then I've got two sets of pliers I work with. And which ones do I like better? I think I like my little black ones better. But these are called split rings. And you gotta find, I use both pliers to open them up like that. And these come in a variety of sizes. And you just squish it together real good so it doesn't come apart. Of course, I forgot to put the lobster claws on. So let me. Oh, no, I just dropped it. There it is. Okay, so you put that in. Then you put the lobster claw, just one end, and then the other end's gonna attach to the other split ring. Okay, so you just kind of turn them like that. Kind of squish them together like that. And I usually use two sets of split rings. I've got small ones and I've got larger ones. I don't know why. I think it's just what I happened to buy that was on sale. So this would go on the end of the other side. And then you attach the other end of this onto there. And then you squish them again together. Again, it's a lot easier to use but two pliers at a time. And you just squish them together. Very easy. Okay, so that one's done. And then I'll show you how this one works. This one, I hold the ring part there with the pliers, one set of pliers. And then I kind of just hold it like this, and I kind of crimp one side, oh gosh, one side in, just a little bit, like that. And before Sharon told me about these crimpers, I was turning it around and using these pliers. I'll tell you, these are the best things, because you just do this, and it is so much easier. But for me, it's just easier. I start off using the pliers, like that, and then I get these, you just squish it together, and then you add the split rings like before, and that's it. It's pretty easy. Then you would add your washer. Thank you. Bye.